I had problems with my teeth. I'd had a bridge and a couple of false teeth put in from years ago. Was hitting them out with a baseball probably 35 years ago. I knocked a tooth out, and I'd had my gums trimmed several times. I was having a lot of dental problems with my teeth and gums. So I made the decision that if I was going to have a couple repairs done, that I would just go ahead and have everything new put in.
The first time we met Jim, he came in, answered one of our advertisements for a free consultation. Jim had gone overseas to have his teeth replaced, and he was sold on the prosthesis, the replacement for his teeth, as being zirconia. He was told that they were going to last him a very long time. About a year and a half after the completion, his prosthesis was breaking apart.
When my teeth were in this state here, the procedure I had done in the country of Mexico, it was humiliating. I couldn't go out to dinner. I was afraid of breaking a tooth. The appearance was terrible. It was obviously that I had a bad experience, bad teeth, and it was horrible.
So when we first saw Jim, first thing we let him know was that what he was given was not zirconia. He was frustrated, and we walked him through the process. The end result is that he has now the top and the bottom prosthesis in zirconia, and I think he's very happy with his smile.
Part of the problem I had was finding a dentist that was willing to use the implants that were put in Mexico that seemed to be very tight and working very well. Dr. Martinez said that he could do that. He felt that there should have been more implants put in, so he was going to eliminate 2 of the teeth. And he just seemed to know so much more about what he was doing than the other dentists that I had spoken to that I immediately became comfortable. Everybody was very pleasant. They're strictly business, right down to earth, and you're very comfortable when you come in here. When you can't eat corn on the cob or an apple or chew a steak up properly or what have you, it's very demeaning. I don't know how to explain it. Being able to use your teeth to eat is a big deal. And then to have them look as good as they do, boy, what a plus is that? That's wonderful.